Testing 1 2 sound and video. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So God, and I'm already overthinking it. Fuck. Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Max, and today we're going to be doing a review of the new ThreadBeauty line. This line is found in Target. You can get each of the products for only $8. And today I got reached out to by ThreadBeauty. They sent over their PR package, which consists of 3 new products. It's going to be the Face It Complexion Stick, Blend It Multi-Stick, and the Color It Lip Color. The Complexion Stick comes in 24 shades, which should fit the majority of people. I'll show you guys what's inside of the box that they sent me. They sent over a pretty good variety. I think I'll be able to choose a highlight, a foundation, and a contour shade, but we'll get into that in just a little bit. I do want to hit some points and make sure to mention that they are an all-inclusive beauty brand. I'll go ahead and read the opening statement from their website, which says, Thread was created for humans of color who are expressive and unapologetic in their being. We believe makeup is the greatest tool for self-expression. It's a connecting thread that weaves itself through all of humanity, no matter our ethnicity, pronouns, or orientation, period. Oh, I think that's a really nice message. Oh. They are also a Detroit-based brand, women-owned, vegan, and cruelty-free. So yeah, that's the message of the brand. I definitely vibe with it. Being a person of color and a person who identifies in the LGBTQ plus community, I would say that this brand definitely calls to me. And I mean, the packaging is so cute. Let's just get into it. Who doesn't love good packaging? So they sent over this cute little box. I'm going to insert a lot of video and images of the products up close, but here's what the box looks like all put together. And they also sent me some of these little gemstones, which I use all the time. If you guys see all my TikTok videos, I use plenty of gems, so we're going to get some good use out of that. I'm going to set the box to the side because they also sent a beauty blender, but I don't really use beauty blenders. I prefer brushes, but I'm gonna go ahead and wet this and use it today since they sent it over. Right, so here is the sponge all soaked up in its fullest form. It's definitely a good enough size to blend underneath my eyes. And I love the curved shape with the flat edges. That's perfect for baking. Let's choose our complexion sticks. So as I said earlier, the range is 24 shades, but they only sent over 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades for me to choose from. They look somewhat similar. I'm not gonna lie. I think they're gonna swatch differently, but in the package, like at least this range right here looks very similar to me. But we're gonna go ahead and give them a swatch. So here is 10, cool. And let's see how much product we have in here. This is how much product you get in the complexion stick. Also the packaging, let's talk about the packaging. I love the super bright blue color. It's definitely eye-catching in the aisle when you go to Target or Ulta. You're definitely gonna be able to see this packaging. Let's go ahead and swatch this for our highlight shade, and I just need a mirror. Okay, highlight shade. Oh, that actually is pretty good. Okay, and let's swatch what I think my foundation shade would be. Okay, that's pretty good too. And let's do our contour shade. I didn't really leave much room for this one, but let's go ahead and just, yeah, that'll work for more like a bronzing contour shade for sure. So let's go ahead and go with those three. I went ahead and concealed my brows using the concealer shade that we selected, and so far so good. I'm pretty much liking the formula. It does say it's a buildable, lightweight coverage, so I'm definitely more of a full coverage kind of person, so we might have to like layer this up, but I don't really know. Hey guys, so unfortunately my recording did stop, so I'm just gonna do a little voiceover explaining how I apply the product. As you can see, I just put the foundation shade all over, and I'm gonna blend that out with my sponge. I will say that I prefer using a brush over a sponge. Like I said earlier, it kind of holds on to a lot of the product and created more of a light to medium coverage, and I prefer full coverage, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. If you want more of a full coverage, use a brush. But I blended this out, and then we got to the blush part, so I'm just gonna keep talking until the blush part comes. But yeah, it's gonna happen in 3, 2, 1, boom. Ahead and use this lipstick color as a blush, and we're just gonna apply a little bit to the cheeks where I would normally blush up my skin, and I'm gonna blend that out using the sponge. And now we can go ahead and use the concealer shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that under the eyes. And on the bridge of the nose, and a little bit on the forehead. Also some down here above my mustache and below. Okay, so we have officially blended out all of the skin products. So I'm gonna go ahead and set with some setting powder because this collection did not include any setting powder. Let's just use the Pink Lips Banana Setting Powder. This I got in my Ipsy subscription, and I've been using it lately, and it looks really good underneath the eyes. So I'm just gonna dip in with the sponge, tap off the excess, and press it underneath my eyes. Okay, so now that I have set the areas that I want to set, we can go ahead and switch over to eyeshadow. Okay, so here are all of the multi-stick shades. I'm gonna go ahead and select this matte brown called Humble, and then we can use Grateful, which is a shimmer shade. So here is how much product you receive in the multi-stick. It's a pretty good amount of product right there. Again, I love the packaging, super cute and simple. And so I'm gonna go ahead and swipe this on the eyes. Looks pretty good, wow. And I'm gonna blend this out with a brush. I'm using just like a tapered blending brush to go ahead and blend this out. It blends really nicely. I feel like these products would be really good for people who like to do makeup but want something simple and quick. Okay, so this is the brown shade called Humble, and we love a humble queen. Let's go ahead and use the shade Grateful. Alright, so now let's choose a lip color. I have a lot to choose from, but I think I want to choose a dark brown for the outside and then do a lighter brown on the inside of my lips. Alright, let's go in first with the Color It lipstick in the shade Lovely. And we're gonna just line the lips. Ooh. Ooh, one swipe coverage. So far, so good. That was the shade Lovely, and now let's use Gentle as the inner part of my lips. Hecka cute. Cute little combo. Okay. I'm gonna throw on some lashes because I think this look needs lashes. And we can move on to the final thoughts. Okay. All right, you guys, here we are with the final look. I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on the first impression, starting with the complexion stick. So I saw a lot of people review these. They had lots of nice things to say about them. I also have some good things to say about them, but I also want to point out that they are not the fullest coverage. I prefer more of a full coverage, and these just didn't really do it for me. I would love to see how other people play with them, and if you're somebody who's just running out the door and want a little bit of coverage, then this is for you. Again, it's only $8, so you can't expect too much at that price point, but I think they were trying to hit a market of people who don't really play in makeup very often but want something that is cheap and easy for them to use, and this is definitely that. I want to shout out the lipstick for being able to be used as a blush and as a lipstick, of course. You could probably also use it on the eyes, but I chose to use the other two eyeshadow sticks that they had. I used the shade Humble, which is a matte, and I blended that out, and then I used the shade Grateful as a shimmer to accent the eyes. And then for lips today, we used Gentle and Lovely. Gentle is a satin finish, and then Lovely is the matte finish. Really enjoyed using this collection. I want to thank the company for sending me this box. I enjoyed using it, and I hope you guys get a lot of enjoyment out of the brand as well. Last but not least, I want to shout out my own social media. Make sure you check me out on TikTok, Instagram, and here on YouTube. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos, so stay tuned. And yeah, go ahead and check out my other content, become a follower, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. I don't know what we're going to do, but definitely check it out. Okay, bye you guys.